In this video, let's talk about Boolean data type. So what is meant by a Boolean data type means it is either true or false. Okay, either true or false. We will call these two variables as a Boolean variables. Okay, in Python, these Boolean variables are defined by using these two keywords, true or false. Okay, these two are keywords. So while defining these two keywords, you have to make sure the first character should be the uppercase only. Okay, instead of the uppercase, if you enter lowercase, if you use a small t instead of capital T, then an error message will be returned. So you have to make sure these two keywords, this is true and false, these two are called as Boolean variables, as well as these two are keywords in our Python language. So we have to make sure that the first character of these two variables, true and false, should be in uppercase only. Okay, so this Python includes a built-in function, bool. Bool is a built-in function in Python. So here this bool function we can use to evaluate a variable or a value. Okay, that means here see, coming to the syntax of this Boolean data type, bool of, you have to pass either a variable or a value as an argument to that bool built-in function. Okay, so this bool function, it takes only one argument, that is the value or the value or any variable that you want to evaluate. Okay, so actually these booleans are very important data type in any programming. Okay, by using these booleans we can indicate whether a value is true or false. Okay, so one important thing here you have to remember is these two are called as Boolean variables. This is true and false. We call it as a Boolean variables or Boolean values. And you have to make sure that the first character in these two variables should only be in uppercase only. No lower cases are allowed for the first characters of these Boolean variables. Okay. Now, let's see a sample program. Okay. Here, I am taking a variable. Okay, I am assigning true. So if you give small t, it will give error message. Okay, so here true is a keyword, right? So print of type of a, print of type of a. Okay, so if you execute this, what happens, what will be the output? As true and false are Boolean variables, if you assign this keyword true to any variable, okay, if you print the type of that variable, the output will be, as these two are true and false, these two are Boolean variables, the output will be bool. Okay, the output, it will return an output as bool. That it will be the output, right? Suppose if you take here false, then also you will get the same output as bool. Okay, let me execute this program. Let me show the output. Okay, so see. So go to new file. So here I am just taking a variable a and I am assigning true value to that variable, and I am just printing the type of a. That means I want to check what is the data type of that a variable. Okay, so save the program. Save the program and run the program. So run the module. So see here, it is a Boolean data type. Okay, so generally these Boolean variables are used for comparison. Now let me show you another sample program. So for that, go to Python idle. Go to file, open new file. So here I am taking a variable a and I am assigning value of 10 to a variable b. I am assigning some 20. Okay, a value of 20 to b. So here I am taking a variable c. Here I want to check whether a is less than b or not. Okay, that means C holds either true or false, right? It will check for the condition. If that condition is true, true will be saved. Otherwise, if the condition is false, false will be saved in C variable. Now, let me print the value of C, and also let me print the data type of C. Okay, so save the program. Now, let me run the program. So see, here A is less than B, right? The condition is true. 10 is less than 20. Condition is true. Now C holds a value of true. So if you print the value of C, true will be printed, right? And also print type of C. Type of C means it will print the type function will always print the data type of C. So it is a Boolean data type. If true or false is your output, if you print the type of that output, then it will be always a Boolean. Boolean data type holds these true and false keywords. Okay. So next one is by using this Boolean data type, we can also perform arithmetic operations. Okay. So here we have these two keywords, true and false. These two are called as Boolean variables. So internally, if you consider true means internally for true, a value of 1 will be stored. Okay, true is represented internally with a value of 1. If you consider false, internally this false will be represented with a 0. So we can also call this 1 0 as a Boolean flags. Okay, so Boolean flag 0 means false, flag 1 means true. Okay, so this 1 and 0 they are called as these two are internal representations for true and false. Internally true is represented with 1, false is represented with the value of 0. Okay, so by using these Boolean data types, by using these two Boolean variables, we can also perform arithmetic operations between these Boolean values. Okay, now let me show you a program how to perform arithmetic operations using these Boolean values. Let me show a small program. So see, here I'm just printing the value of true plus true. Okay, that means I am performing arithmetic operation between these two. Okay, similarly, I am printing the value of true minus false. True minus false. Okay, that means subtraction. Similarly, I am performing printing the arithmetic multiplication between these Boolean variables, true into false. Okay, and next I am performing division operation also. True, that means false by true. Okay. So arithmetic addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let me show the output for this. Okay. Let me run the output. See, 210 0.0. So that means, so see here, print true plus true. True holds a value of 1. Internal representation for true is 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. And for true, 1 minus false 0. 1 minus 0, 1. True, 1 into 0 is 0. And 0 by 1, that is 0.0. Okay. So like this, we can perform arithmetic operation between the Boolean variables. Okay.